Namaste, I'm Dr. Meena Shah from Project Sarthi. Another question from me to all students. Are you living more in a digital world or a real life? Ask yourself a question. Another question you ask yourself is, are you happier when you are with the digital world only, or are you happier when you are actually real people, real world? Okay, friends, family, and enjoying life together or going for a party together. What do you enjoy more? Do you enjoy having 5,000 friends only on the Facebook, or to have 5 friends who are real friends, who are ready to spend time with you, who are ready to stand by you if you need them? So please, I know we cannot avoid digital world today, but also learn to live in a real world. Real world where you are actually going and playing a sport, not only playing on the mobile. A real world where you go and meet a friend and actually share jokes and then laugh together. Not only have their likes and comments on your social media page. Because that gives you the experience of life where you can share your emotion, people will come back and they will support you, help you, or you will go and help people. Like sometimes you just send a happy birthday message. Instead of just call a friend and talk to each other and wish a happy birthday on phone. Listening to your voice, the excitement, the happiness changes the mood. So please understand the digital world is there and it will stay there. It will rather grow in many dimensions. But do not live only in digital world. Let the 70% of your life or more of your life be in a real life. That way you will feel human to human connect. You will feel more supported. You will feel that you are actually living life, not only living an imaginary life on a screen. So please friends, this is your life. You need to enjoy more. You need to be more in real world. In real world you need to be healthier, fitter, eat healthy, have good exam, have good result, have good career, have good family. So remember, let your life be more real life and less digital life.